Dear friends, how are you? Hope you all are very well. Welcome to our YouTube channel Kitchencooking. Friends, in this week we are celebrating Prawn Festival and today is the second day of Prawn Festival. Dear friends, today we are preparing steamed prawn with curd and mustard seed, and it is also called in Bengal province Doi Shorshe Vapa Chingri, and it is very popular recipe in Bengal province. Not only that, it is very popular in India. Ingredients are 4 pieces of whole prawn which is duly marinated with 2 hours, along with 2 teaspoonful of salt and 2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We are using prawn stick which prevent prawn from bending. We are using poppy seeds 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon of white mustard seed which is soaked for at least 2 hours with 4 tablespoon of water. We are using salt to taste and sugar half teaspoon. This is quite optional. Moreover that we are using 4 green chili, mustard oil 75 ml, curd 100 ml, and we will grind it for our next slide. For steamed prawn masala gravy, we are using small mixer grinder jar, and we have already poured 2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we are adding 100 ml of curd, soaked poppy seed and white mustard seed, 1 green chili, 2 teaspoon of normal salt, sugar for taste, and we'll grind it shortly. After 1 minute of grinding, our gravy is ready. Now we are pouring in a steel tiffin box. Now we are pouring 75 ml of mustard oil and stir this well. Now we are after breaking the prawn stick, we are dropping the prawn in our tiffin box. Now we are using scissor to cut the green chili for excellent flavor to my recipe. Now our steamed gravy along with all the ingredients are ready. Now we will go to the cooking table for steaming. Now we are closing the lid of the tiffin box. As we are making steamed prawn, so we need to prevent direct heat. So we are keeping a steel plate on the kadai.
Now we are keeping prawn full of tiffin box on the plate.
Now we are pouring water and make sure water doesn't enter into the tiffin box. Now I am adding on the top of the tiffin box at least 2 kg of weight.
The weights will prevent the tiffin box to float on water.
Now we are starting our gas oven and we'll wait for water to boil. It's boiling. We are minimize our gas oven, and always remember, if water level decrease, you need to add some of water as if required. Now we will wait for 30 minutes till our recipe gets ready. Our recipe is ready, and how beautiful is it?